welcome to Sylvanus Designs. Tonight I'm working on my third and final set of the metal galvanized bookmarks or gift tags. As I explained in the previous episode, I am going to go ahead and use a design that I've previously used for the first set of bookmarks, except this time I'm going to be doing it in a slightly different color. Tonight, the two colors that are going to be throughout all three sets are going to be the Hauser Green and the Buttermilk. And then for the other colors, I've got the Ultra Blue Deep and Blue Harbor. Now these have been pre-cleaned with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, just some rubbing alcohol, just to make sure that if there is any residue on these, that's wiped off. Sometimes, unfortunately, with the dollar store tags here, you still can get a little bit of residue, and unfortunately, that makes your dots kind of spread a little. You may actually see that in here. I know my other two also had a tiny bit of that as well, but not enough to cause any major issues. All right, let's get into this one. Here we are. Now our third and final set is complete, all but one last small detail. And that is going to be a buttermilk dot right on top of these here in the center. So there's actually 3 dots on these rings around the center. Now I'm not doing that one right now because that is definitely not dry enough yet to do that. So I'll go ahead and do that later after this is completely dried. But otherwise, that'll wrap this one up. I certainly do appreciate you spending time with me today. If you've made it this far, make sure that you're subscribed and drop a like if you are enjoying the content. Thank you so much again for your patronage, and we will see you next time. Take care and have a great afternoon.